everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 504 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another product from my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner Cake Eyeliner, and it also came with the 620 brush from Suva Beauty. And if you want to see my unboxing of my June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I will link that video down below. And so I got this in the shade Grease Matte. And what this is an intensely pigmented, water-activated cake eyeliner. Opaque, fast-drying, smudge-proof, and transfer-resistant. And this set has a retail value of $26. Okay, so here is the pigment. So I'm just curious how this feels. Wow, it's like, feels kind of wet, but not really. It's almost just like a dried down ink, kind of like a clay texture. That's so interesting. I've never tried out an eyeliner like this. And then we've got this very skinny brush. And I don't even have a brush like this, so this is great to have even for other products. But so I have a cup of water next to me, so I'm just going to dip the brush into the water, and that softens it up. Okay. So now I'm taking my wet brush and just says to kind of rub it into the product until you get a creamy formula. So now this is getting the consistency more of a paint. So I'm going to test it out as a swatch on my hand before I go right onto my eyes. Ooh, wow, that is great. That's a full pigmented black color. And just like when I use liquid eyeliners, I love a thin brush tip applicator. So basically this is just a brush of my favorite type of applicator. So now I'm just going to go ahead and line my upper lash line. I really like this formula. It's so easy to work with, and it's such a true black shade, and it's drying down to a nice matte finish. That looks so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna try and dampen the brush a little bit more and pick up a little bit more product to try and do a winged eyeliner. That was actually super easy to do, easy to work with. I just feel like I have so much more control when using this brush than I do with other liquid eyeliners. And this is a nice formula. I like that you can also control the formula. You can make it more watery, more thick and paint-like. I was kind of nervous to try this out. I thought it would be really difficult for me. But if it's easy for me to use, it's going to be easy for most people to use because I am not great with liquid eyeliner. Like, I am so impressed. Like, I feel like this is probably the best my liquid eyeliner has looked. And this actually dries pretty quickly. So what you're supposed to do is before you replace the lid, you're supposed to let this air dry, but it's already kind of drying down. So that doesn't take that long for it to dry. But so I'm just wetting my brush again, and I'm just kind of rubbing at it until it gets to be more of a paint, thicker formula. Because if you take it too quickly without rubbing it in the ink long enough, it'll be too watery. So now I just want to try it on the lower lash line. This is a little bit more difficult because of my lashes. Yeah, I feel like that kind of ruined it. I don't really like it on the lower lash line. It looks more messy. So, I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but I would much prefer just a stick pencil on my lower lash line or no eyeliner on the lower lash line. But I love this for lining the upper lash line and getting a perfect pointy wing. And this is just fun. It reminds me like watercolors and art and painting. So let's see, it's supposed to Yes, it's supposed to not smudge or transfer, and it's not at all. Oh my gosh, I'm so impressed by how long-lasting, fully pigmented, fully black this is. And it has a really nice matte finish. Wow, I'm really excited and happy about this. This is not a product that I would have chosen on my own just because it does intimidate me and it seems like a lot of work, but it's really not. I'm so glad I got this as part of my Ipsy box. Oh, there's also no transfer onto my eyelid, so that's great. Since I really like this formula, I would love to try this in other colors. I would also love it in like a sparkly version. Oh, so many opportunities with this formula. If you've tried this type of eyeliner before or this specific eyeliner, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you've found any other uses for it that you like, because since it's so easy and fun to work with, I feel like you could get really creative with it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.